In this video, I want to show you how to clear all caches and junks from your Windows 11 and Windows 10. So this process helps to clean up your system and make it run faster and better. So let's get started. The first step is to come to this start icon, right click and click on run. So when it opens the run page like this, here type prefetch and click on OK. So it will open the prefetch folder here. So all these files, they are junks, you don't need them. So just highlight everything by clicking on any one of them and press Ctrl A to select all and delete. Click on delete, it will delete all these files because you don't need them. So if there is anyone that is open in one application or the other, it will tell you that it can't be completed because the file is open in a particular application. So just keep it. After all, we have deleted a whole lot. So this one, they are open in one application, that's why it was unable to delete. So after you have cleaned that, close this. The second step to clean up the junks and all unnecessary files from your system, come to this start button again, right click and click on run. It will open the run page like this for you. So come here and type temp like this and click on OK. It will notify you that you don't currently have permission to access this folder. Just click on continue. It will open the temp folder. Here we have some temporary files which are not needed. They were created during operations you run on your system, so you need to delete them because this system is a new system. I don't have much here. So some system you may have up to hundreds of these temporary files. So click on one of them, click on Ctrl A to select all and delete. So it will tell you that you will need to provide administrative permission to delete this folder. Just click on continue. So it will delete all those temporary files. Yes, they are clear. So you have cleared them now. So the third step is to come back to this start icon, right click and click on run again. This time around you will type %temp % and click on OK. So it will open another folder where temporary files are saved. Don't just bother, all the files you needed will not be deleted. So all this one, you don't need them. So click on one of them and Ctrl A again and delete all. Click on this delete. So click on continue. So it will delete all these temporary files. So by so doing, your computer will be faster and perform better. After cleaning up all these ones, they are in use or open in a particular software. That's why they didn't delete, but we have deleted a quite number of them. So close this page. The final things to do to clean up your system, come back to this start icon, right click and click on run. Then this time around, here type clean mgr, just like this, clean mgr, and click on OK. So it will open the disk and here it says files to delete. Just check all these files here. Make sure you check all. And click on OK. Click delete file. So this will clean up your local disk of all junks, and after doing that, your computer will be faster and perform better. Click on continue. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe.